Okay, I am excited. Tran. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Elakira here. So today's vlog is I'll be doing unboxing of the two items that I've got here. The C922 Pro HD Stream webcam. That one, and the other one is the Jabra headset. This one, guys. Yan. So I am so excited to open this one. Let's start open up the webcam. This one. So we're gonna open this one now. This is the webcam for my laptop. Oh. Ooh. That's the webcam, guys. So it's 1080p and 30 FPS. And it's full HD video streaming. Ooh. Ayan, guys. Wow. So this is the webcam. And I am curious of the quality. And this is yeah, USB. Okay. So let's check the rest. Ayan. Oh, so this is like a tripod. Yes. Wow, this is nice. Wow. Yeah. Oh, there's a tripod. I didn't expect this one that there's a tripod. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so we'll attach this one. I'll just remove the plastic, guys, because there is some plastic here, so I'll just remove the plastic so we can attach this one to the tripod. Ayan. Wow. That one. So, I am so curious to use this one. So, I'm gonna try this one. So now I'm using the C922 Pro webcam to test the quality, guys. And this is the quality, the 1080p. So far, I love the quality, guys. It's so clear. And another thing that I like is meron po siyang focus. So example, itong pen. So, yan guys, nagfo-focus po siya. Yan. So as you notice, yung background nag-blurry. Yan. So this is really perfect for live streaming, guys. Yeah, in my opinion. And you can actually use this as well doing vlogging, like nakaupo ka lang na nagvo-vlog like this kasi meron siyang focus. So far, guys, I love this product and I'm happy. So that's it, guys. That's the webcam. I'll check if there's another stuff in here inside. Oh, nothing. This is just the warranty card. Alright, so this is the manual, guys. So okay, guys, this is finished. So let's move to the other stuff, the headset. Yeah. So I love this one, guys. Yeah. Okay. So let's move to the other unboxing, the headset, the Jabra headset. So the next one is the Jabra headset. And the price of this webcam, this is 150 New Zealand dollars, and in peso it is 5,000 pesos. Yep, so that's the price, guys. And the price of this Jabra headset, we bought this one for 550 New Zealand dollars and 20,000 pesos if converted. Yeah, so alright, let's open this. It looks like a wireless headset, so I am excited. Wow. So this is the box, guys. Ito cover lang niya. This is only the cover. And then this is the box. Alright. Okay. I am excited. Tran. Yeah. It said here, get started. Download the free Jabra Sound Plus app to connect to your smartphone. Personalize your call and music experience. Activate smart sound, a dynamic sound experience that automatically adapts to your environment. Register your headphones for a 2-year warranty against rain and dust. Yan, so, yan, meron dito nakalagay. Wow. Wow, it's nice, guys, look. Ayan. I love wireless headset because it's convenient to use. Jabra. Ayan. Woo-hoo. Yay! That's the headset, guys. Whoops! Sorry. Yan, so ito yung nalaglag. Alright. So, then guys, this is it. Ayan. Oh, Robbie, huh? I don't know where's the left and right. There's
Go to the Bluetooth menu on your mobile device and select the Jabra product from the list.
oh, yan yung sinasabi niya. This is the charger. Yan, so this is the charger. So that's it, guys. Okay, I'll just connect this one to my Bluetooth, guys. Now I am connected. Cool. So this is wireless, guys. When I try this on, I can't hear anything. It's like noise cancelling as well. Yeah, I can't hear anything. Like, it's so quiet. Oh my god, this is so good. And then what I like is in this side. Yeah, so what I like is that side here. It looks so flash. Yeah. Alright. This is so good. Alright guys, that's all my unboxing for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to give thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe this channel and please click the bell button so you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much for watching once again guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!